I share the amazing transformation you'll experience in your home after installing a water softener for your family and learn why everyone says, I should have done it a whole lot sooner. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. As hard water passes through the pipes, valves, and fixtures in your home, the lime scale starts to build up on the inside of those pipes and inside of those fixtures. And as you can see, it builds up not only once, but it builds up layer after layer after layer, actually reducing the inside diameter of those pipes and coating every surface that it comes into contact with. Just like it eventually did on this pipe. A water softener softens your water, so no longer will that lime scale coat every surface that it contacts. So a water softener prevents the damage caused by lime scale buildup. When you have hard water, you know how time-consuming cleaning your home can be. You're constantly rewashing and hand-drying glasses to get rid of those awful water spots. And you're rewashing laundry because this time, hopefully this time, those clothes will finally become cleaner. And those glass shower doors, well, let's not get started talking about those because those hard water streaks are brutal to get rid of. And you spend hours every week scrubbing those chalky lime scale deposits, getting rid of that soap scum on the inside of your shower walls, your bathtub, your faucets, and everywhere else the water touches. When you soften water from a water softener, that doesn't happen anymore. And no longer does that not happen anymore. It's going to make a whole lot easier to get rid of the residue that's already built up on all of those surfaces because soft water will slowly wear away that lime scale buildup on the surfaces that you see and the ones you don't. Soft water fully penetrates soap, so there's less insoluble soap scum that's left over, saving you cleaning time every week. You'll get cleaner hair and softer skin. Since hard water mineral ions prevent water from becoming total dissolved into the soap, that's where you get that soap scum. So you end up with the residue of that soap scum in your hair and on your skin. Those hard water minerals remove your skin's natural oils, which dry out your skin and leave you with itchy, scaly skin. Now with soft water, your family will enjoy much more lather. Soft water minimizes the loss of natural oils from your hair and scalp compared to hard water. Since soft water has fewer minerals end up coating your hair and your skin. So your hair and your skin retain more moisture. Soft water can balance your hair's pH, where hard water can make your hair feel more brittle, dry, and frizzy. And it can also dull your hair color. And keep in mind, as hard water builds up inside those pipes and the inside of those pipes becomes smaller and smaller, it's going to restrict the flow and it's going to restrict how quickly the water comes out of that shower. So because of that, it's going to be more difficult to thoroughly rinse that shampoo from your hair. With a water softener, you won't have that buildup, you'll have the maximum flow. Soft water dissolves into clothes more thoroughly, cleaning the clothes much better. With hard water, your clothes are being washed in minerals that leave crusty deposits on all of the fibers. Over time, those fibers will become dry and brittle, easily causing tears and holes in your clothing. Also, those mineral buildup from that hard water makes your clothes dingy and the whites don't become white anymore and it's time for new clothes again. Because soft water dissolves into detergents much more thoroughly, you can use far less soap to wash your clothes and you may not use fabric softener at all. You know how difficult it is to clean your glasses and your dishes with hard water. I mean, when the glasses come out of the dishwasher, they've got that cloudy appearance, they've got water spots all over them. Your dishes, when you hold them up, again, you can see those water spots. Yeah, you can wash them by hand, but it's a whole lot less work. But even when you wash them by hand, you have to dry them by hand too, because otherwise you'll still have those water spots. A water softener removes those minerals that create those lime scale deposits on your glasses and on your dishes. So you never have to worry about them again. And because the soft water dissolves much more thoroughly in the soap, again, you'll have a lot more bubbles when you're doing those dishes and you can use a whole lot less soap. Soft water won't allow scale buildup inside your water heater, saving your family money due to energy costs. Because what happens is, inside your hot water heater, there's a heating element. While with hard water, lime scale builds up on that heating element. So now it has to heat through that element before it can heat up the water. If you don't have any lime scale buildup because you're using soft water, you don't have that heating element being compromised. So your water heater stays just as efficient on its last day as it was on its first day. Again, saving your family money. And with hard water, that scale buildup that forms inside your hot water heater not only lowers its efficiency, but it's not going to last as long. In fact, all of your water using appliances aren't going to last as long. That means your dishwasher, your washing machine, your coffee machine, all those things are going to be replaced a whole lot more often, and that's going to cost you money. And with a water softener, you'll just use a whole lot less hot water, because now you can wash pretty much all of your clothes in cold water because they'll come out much cleaner with cold water, so you can save the energy costs to heat up that hot water that you would normally use for doing your laundry. And if you're looking for more information about water softeners, check out our websites. waterestore.com in the US, waterestore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. But how much money can you save for your family with a water softener? Click here for my next video and I'll see you there.